Another helpful tool we have in AutoCAD is the Quick Calculator. What makes the Quick Calculator nice is that it can be used transparently within our AutoCAD commands. Let me show you what I mean. I'm going to open a drawing. I'm going to come up and we'll click the Open icon. We're going to go inside the Chapter 13 folder, inside our Exercise Files directory, and we're going to select number 3, the Quick Calculator drawing. I will highlight that guy and click Open to bring him up on screen. Now I've got some sketch geometry here, and we're going to use this geometry to learn how the Quick Calculator works. Let's take a look at the square first. Let's say I would like to offset this left side such that I divide this square into thirds. Well, I know the overall length is 6.31, but calculating what 1/3 of that distance is in my head is going to be a problem. Let's use AutoCAD to find the distance. I'm going to come over and launch the Offset command. I'll click the Offset icon, and AutoCAD's asking me for an offset distance. Well, I don't know what the distance is. Let's come up and click the Quick Calculator. I'll click the icon. This brings up my Quick Calculator palette. And from here, I want you to notice that it says the active command is offset. I can use the Quick Calculator transparently within a command. So whatever value I come up with is going to be applied to the offset command. Now I can enter my expression either by clicking on these keys or by using the keys on my keyboard. I'm going to type in my expression. 6.31 divided by 3. And I'll hit enter. There's my value. Now I'm going to come down and click my Apply button. And when I do, watch my command line. As soon as I click Apply, AutoCAD throws the number down at my command line, and all I have to do is hit enter to accept the value. Now AutoCAD's asking me to select object to offset. I'll select this object and I'll offset to this side. I'll select this object and I'll offset to this side. I've just divided that square into thirds, and I never had to pick up my desktop calculator or try and figure it out in my head. Let me hit Escape to clear the Offset command. Let's use the Quick Calculator to replicate this polygon. The Quick Calculator can be very helpful when drafting polygons because it always seems that when we're given a polygon, we always get the dimension of the diameter. But yet when we create a polygon, AutoCAD always wants the radius. So let's use the Quick Calculator to replicate this polygon. I'm going to pan him to the side, and we're going to launch the Polygon command. I'm going to come over and click the Polygon icon. AutoCAD asks me for a number of sides. I'm going to type in 8 and hit enter. Specify center point. I'm just going to pick a point on screen. Now, is this polygon inscribed or circumscribed? Well, since my dimension is from face to face, this polygon must be circumscribed because it would fall on the outside of my circle. Let me select circumscribed, and at this point, AutoCAD's asking for a radius. Well, I have the diameter, but it's a very ugly number. Let's find out what the radius is by using the Quick Calculator. Once again, I'm going to come up and click the Quick Calculator icon, and it'll pop up on my screen. Notice the active command happens to be polygon. Let's do the math. I'm going to type in 6.9919 divided by 2. And I'll hit enter. There's my value. Once again, I'm going to click Apply, and that value is dumped to my command line. All I have to do to accept that value is hit the Enter key. I have just replicated that polygon using the Quick Calculator command. While the Quick Calculator may not completely replace the handheld calculator we keep at our desk, it certainly makes quick computations within AutoCAD much easier.